X of t is this one. This is the graphical representation. For this, the mathematical representation of x of t is x of t is equal to, here in between -1 to 0, it looks like a ramp. If you solve that ramp line equation, then we can get the 1 plus t. Use the formula y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, and then we can get the 1 plus t here. Now 0 to 1, it's a constant 1. 1 to 2, it is again ramp. So we can get the t value here by doing the ramp equation. Next 2 to 3, it is constant 2. So here first we calculate the mathematical equations for the given sketch, and then the first problem is y of t is equal to 2 into x of 4t plus 2. To do this, here in the place of t, substitute 4t plus 2 here, and also multiply that x of t with the constant 2. So y of t is equal to, here 2 into, so I am placing x of t values here, amplitude values. In that, in the place of t, I substitute 4t plus 2. So 2 into 1 plus 4t plus 2, and here the range of t also, in the place of t substitute 4t plus 2. Then you can get the equations like this. So just multiply the amplitude of x of t with the 2, and then in the place of t substitute 4t plus 2. Now here solve the t here, time range values. Here we have to find out the t range values, right? Instead of 4t plus t, here find the t range values, like -1 less than or equal to 4t plus 2 less than or equal to 0 means subtract -2, that means -1 -2 -3, then divide that one with the 4, then -3 by 4. So in this way do the all the values, then find the t range values. Like this you can get. So y of t is equal to, just multiplication of this one, 2 into 1 plus 4t plus 2 gives the 8t plus 6. That means range is -3 by 4 to -1 by 2. Here -1 by 2 means here is a 0. 0 minus 2 divided by 4. -2 by 4 gives -1 by 2. Like that, determine all the values. You can get the y of t. So in between the -1 by 2 to -1 by 4, 2, -1 by 4 to 0, 8t plus 4, 0 to 1 by 4, 4. So here for this y of t, draw the graphical representation. -3 by 4 to -1 by 2. It is the ramp 8t plus 6. So here at -3 by 4, what is the value? At -1 by 2, what is the value? Please substitute and then find. At t -3 by 4, 4 2's 8. Then -6 plus 6 gives the 0. In the same way, that means at -3 by 4, the amplitude is 0. At t -1 by 2, the amplitude is, substitute -1 by 2. 8 into -1 by 2 is nothing but -4. -4 plus 6, 2. So the amplitude is 2. So now from 0, here -3 by 4, the amplitude is 0. At -1 by 2, the amplitude is 2. So here draw the ramp line. So like that, -1 by 2 to -1 by 4, 2. -1 by 4 to 0. Again it is a ramp 8t plus 4. So substitute here also t is equal to -1 by 4 first. We can get the 2 value and substitute 0. 8 into t 0. 0 plus 4, 4. So here 2 to 4 we should draw the ramp. So 0 to 1 by 4, the amplitude value is 4. So therefore here the graph looks like this. This is y of t. In this way we should find out the 2 into x of 4t plus 2. Now coming to the x of t into u of t. You know that u of t is nothing but 1 for t greater than or equal to 0. 0 for plus t less than 0. Therefore, y of t is equal to x of t into 1 for t greater than or equal to 0. X of t into 0 for t less than 0. Therefore, y of t is equal to x of t for t greater than or equal to 0. 0 for t less than 0. That means, so y of t is nothing but x of t when t greater than or equal to 0 values. Otherwise, it is 0. So, from the given sketch x of t, consider only 0 to 3 values, and minus 1 to 0, y of t becomes 0. So, you can get the sketch graph like this. Then, third one is x of t into u of t minus u of t minus 1. U of t is 1 for t greater than or equal to 0, 0 for t less than 0. This is the graph. U of t minus 1 becomes 1 for t greater than or equal to 1, 0 for t less than 1. So, by doing subtraction between these two, so you can get the value 1 for only 0 to 1, otherwise it is 0. So, now u of t minus u of t minus 1 gives the only one value in between the 0 to 1. Therefore, y of t is equal to x of t into 1 for 0 to 1, otherwise it is x of t into 0, that gives 0. Therefore, in between 0 to 1 only consider x of t, otherwise it is 0. So, in the given x of t, in between 0 and 1, it has the value amplitude 1. So, then y of t becomes here 1 only. 0 to 1 we have the values, otherwise it is 0. Now, coming to the order of x of t. Order of x of t equation is x of t minus x of minus t by 2. That is 0.5 into x of t minus x of minus t. First determine x of minus t. That means in the place of x of t. So, here in the place of t substitute minus t. That means x of minus t becomes 1 minus t, minus 1 less than or equal to minus t less than or equal to 0, like that. And then convert the minus t range into t range. So, by doing that, you can get 1 minus t. So, here 0 to 1. Here observe, minus 1 less than or equal to minus t less than or equal to 0 means by multiplying minus on both sides, you can get 1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 0. But so by inversing the time, here we should invert the less than and greater than also. That means the range also we should reverse. So, minus 1 less than or equal to minus t less than or equal to 0 becomes 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1, like this. So, here x of minus t is equal to 1 minus t in between 0 to 1. In the same way, substitute t in the place of t minus t and then find the range value for t. So, here we can get 1 for minus 1 to 0, minus t for minus 2 to minus 1, 2 for minus 3 to minus 2 range. So, after getting x of minus t like this, so determine x of t minus x of minus t. So, take the amplitude values and then do the subtraction. So, here x of t range is minus 1 to 3, x of minus t range is, if you observe, minus 3 to 1. So, here the lower limit value is minus 3 and upper value is 3. So, here we can get the time range values minus 3 to 3. So, here minus 3 to minus 2 first take the range. In between minus 3 to minus 2, in x of t there is no value, but in x of minus t, minus 3 to minus 2, the amplitude value is 2. That means 0 minus 2 becomes minus 2. Then here is a value minus 2 in between minus 3 to minus 2. In the same way, determine all the amplitude values. So, minus 2 to minus 1 range means here in x of t 0, but here in x of minus t it has the value minus t. So, 0 minus of minus t gives the plus t. So, then minus 1 to 0, here minus 1 to 0, 1 plus t. Here minus 1 to 0, 1. 1 plus t minus 1 gives the value t. So in this way determine all the values, you can get the amplitude values like t in between 1 to 2, 2 in between 2 to 3. So here this is x of t minus x of minus t. Then multiply that one with the 0.5. So here the range minus 2 to 2, it has the same amplitude like a t. That's why I am taking here. So minus 2 to 2 range. That means here is a t values. Here it is multiplied by 0.5. Then 0.5 into t. Then remaining minus 3 to minus 2, it is minus 2. 2 to 3, it is 2. So it is multiplied by 0.5 means here minus 1. Here also 1. Minus 1 in between minus 3 to minus 2. 1 in between 2 to 3. So for this, the graphical representation is like this. Minus 3 to minus 2, it has the minus 1 amplitude. That's why here observe the graph. Now minus 2 to 2, it is the ramp nature 0.5 t. So that means here the graph looks like a ramp. Now 2 to 3, it is a 1 constant function. So draw the constant line in between 2 to 3. So this is the graph for the y of t. Thank you.